Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, Abakhabati Bachchan.
I already have a camera. Take. Нет. Спасибо. Do you like Russian girl?
No.
No? Why?
चाय पानी
कहाँ से आप?
अफगानिस्तान से।
इसलिए हिंदी आता है।
हाँ हमें इंडिया से प्यार है इसलिए हिंदी आता है।
अरे हमें भी अफगानिस्तान से प्यार है। Vlogger.
Yes.
I'm just mesmerized looking at the buildings here. Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am heading out and I came across a local market which is right behind my hostel. This is at Sadovaya Street. By the way, I want to introduce you to one gentleman. His name is Tareen.
Mazhar Tareen.
Mazhar Tareen. He is from Balochistan.
Balochistan. I belong to Balochistan.
Yeah, and he's been living here for a month or so, and he stays in the same hostel where I'm staying. So he offered to show me around because he might be knowing it better. In this market, I think you get all duplicate.
Yes.
It's not open. It's 10:15 in the morning, by the way. Oh, I think this is
Grapes.
grapes. Oh, okay. It's 150 ruble for 1 kilo.
1 kilos rubles. पाकिस्तानी में बनते हैं ये पाकिस्तानी में 450 की बनती है।
450.
Yes. Pakistani rupees.
Oh, okay. So 150 ruble would be approximately $2 if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
$2 for 1 kg of grapes. Same $2 for tomatoes, and then oranges are for $1.50 here.
$1.
Yeah. This is the eggplant, aubergine they call it. Right. It's 10:15 in the morning, and I think the market is not yet open. They are still setting up their shops here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Privet. So these people who own the shops, they are from Tajikistan.
Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and India, Pakistan, Afghanistan.
They are all immigrants basically.
Yes.
I see.
You work in here.
They work here. Okay.
Yes.
The name of this market is Renek, and it's on the Sadovaya Street. Oh, look at the overcoats here. So pretty and beautiful. How much would this be for? Let me just check. I mean, this is of no use in India, honestly, in Mumbai where I stay. How much?
David. 23 rubles, 2300 rubles.
2,300 rupees.
Yes.
It's cheap, man. It's very cheap.
Yes.
Okay.
2000 rubles.
Okay. These overcoats are for 2,000 rubles.
2000.
Even if I buy this, I don't know where will I wear it. Because it's our climate is hot and humid.
Yes.
And theirs is cold. But the quality is so nice, I must say.
Low quality.
No? Low quality?
Yes.
Okay. What's there? This is what?
Hotel.
Huh?
Cooking.
Acha, we'll have breakfast here. Do they serve vegetarian?
Yes. This
Okay.
menu. This is menu. Lobia, rice, and what do you like?
Okay, I can have that. What's lobia?
Dal.
Dal. Okay.
kebab olarak kebab.
Ah, that's meat.
No
No.
meat, no drink.
No.
Vegan.
Vegan.
No meat.
Oh yeah.
No.
No.
It's okay.
Eggs.
This is Tajikistan.
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 Okay. And this is the staple food. The
Yes. Menu of the food.
Russian food or the
No Russian. Tajikistan. Tajikistan foods.
Okay.
Samba peş.
Ah, okay. All right, it's okay. Spasiba. They don't have anything in vegan. That's the
Hey, blogger.
Lobia.
vlogger.
Blogger.
Yes.
Okay, so we look.
ये YouTube channel वाले हैं.
So we look for a restaurant which has vegan.
वहाँ पे फिर
Even the Russians eat meat a lot. So yeah, it's of course you won't find vegan meal everywhere. हाँ मुझे शैम्पू लेना था. Okay. I had come here yesterday if I'm not wrong.
क्या लेना है?
Shampoo.
चल.
Oh, this banana. How much? How much?
165.
For one?
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram. Okay.
ये किलो के हिसाब से दाने के हिसाब से नहीं होते हैं.
Okay.
यहाँ पे हर चीज किलो के हिसाब से होते हैं. इधर महंगा होता है फिर उधर सस्ते हैं.
Mm-hmm. So apple is the most common fruit that you will find here. The green apple, the red apple, and this is for 100 ruble a kg. So there are two kinds of water here. One is the still water and sparkling water. I don't know how to identify the difference between the two. It's written in Russian here. It's this is green apple, no?
Yes,
Okay, this
it's
is juice. I think this is
ये water.
this is sparkling water.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Soda.
Soda, yeah, basically
yes,
soda.
Yes.
So they drink sparkling water a lot, I think.
Do
Okay.
you need soda?
Soda? No, I prefer still water.
Oh, sorry.
No, I prefer still water.
Yes.
They are giving visa
हाँ 5 साल का.
for business.
हर चीज के अभी आप भी ले सकते हो.
Acha.
हाँ 5
No,
साल के.
for me, I cannot stay for more than 16 days on tourist visa.
तो आपकी कितने दिन के टूरिस्ट वीजा?
Tourist visa 16 days. Once I enter, I have to go back within 16 days. Oh, I really like this. How much for this?
Inachal
How much? 500.
2500
2500.
रूबल.
Okay. I think you have to bargain a lot here. And I don't think I'm good in bargaining and negotiating.
इंडियन है.
This one? No.
कब?
So you were saying they are giving 5 years visa if you want to do business here.
Yes.
And how can you open up a business here? Is it difficult or
No difficult.
you just have
टाइम
to?
मांगता है ना, हर चीज़ के लिए टाइम मांगता है कि भाई टाइम आपके पास टाइम हो, उसको टाइम दे सको. यहाँ पे बहुत सी इंडियन है, पाकिस्तानी है. इस मार्केट में दूसरे जगहों पे बहुत बड़े बड़े मार्केट है. लड़कियाँ आती है, श्रीलंकन है.
Okay.
अभी रूस ने एक ऐलान किया है, या अगर वो टैक्स पे करें 5 साल का वीज़ा देता है, महीने की 8000 रूबल
8,000 ruble tax.
मैक्स. हाँ
Okay.
फिर जो है ना वो देते हैं 5 साल के लिए वीज़ा देते हैं.
They give you visa for 5 years.
5 ईयर 5 साल के लिए देते हैं.
Okay. Interesting.
बहुत से लोगों ने अभी लिए है. अभी ये यहाँ पे एक इंडिया के सिख है, सिख बरादरी से, सुकी सिंह, तो उसने भी अभी ले लिए. अभी मुझे कहते हैं चलेगा. यहाँ पे सिगरेट, लोग सिगरेट ज़्यादा पीते हैं.
Yeah, they're addicted to cigarettes. I've seen that. What do you call this here? This is.
ये ताजिकिस्तान, उज़्बेकिस्तान कैप्स.
Can I try this? Can I wear it?
Yes.
Это 10, выхода из дома.
Я вон.
Да, это 6 тысяч.
How does this look?
Красиво, да.
Nice. चल रहा ना
10
This
тысяч.
looks good.
10. Они хорошие шапки. Это откуда?
But will this keep you warm? India.
India.
You from?
Uzbekistan, Tajikistan,
Dagestan.
Dagestan.
Pakistan.
Okay, all
Thanks.
stan here. Spasiba.
आपने भी सीख लिया पासीवा.
Yes, I just know few words in Russian. Niet? No.
Хорошо.
Хорошо means
Хорошо.
fine.
Yes.
Dobre udre. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
फिर नसवार होते हैं.
What is this? Spices.
No, smoking.
Okay. This is nicotine,
Nas. No.
like pan.
Yes.
Beetle leaf.
Yes.
Okay. How much?
इलाचा दस मौजूद.
No, Panjus.
500.
Okay, for one packet.
Yes.
And
Indian. तुम्हारे पास ताजिक हस्ते खो खेले मम्नू.
all Tajis are
मुझे
living here.
पारसी आती है मुझे.
हाँ.
क्योंकि
So they
मैं.
speak Parsi language?
Yes.
Okay.
यहाँ पे पेड़ सब काम बहुत हो.
Oh, okay. I want to buy this. Yes. 27. I think this will fit me. He's saying this is quite an old market.
Yes.
It was built back in 1940s or 1950s.
Yes.
Now they are planning to demolish this?
ये पे पेड़ सब.
Okay. Now they are planning to demolish this and build a new one.
Yes.
Şahrukhana.
Oh, he watches Bollywood?
Gollywood.
You're from?
Azerbaycan.
Azerbaijan. Oh,
Azerbaycan.
yeah.
Shahrukhan, Salman Khan, Abakhabati Bachchan.
I know people are very, they are fan of Bollywood.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. How do you say thank you in Azerbaijan?
Azerbaijan, I am
Thank you.
Baku. Sağ ol. Thank you, sağ ol.
Sago.
Sağ ol.
Sago.
तो मुझे दोरे.
Okay.
That's what.
Bye.
ये उसने अजूबा में रखे हैं कि भाई ये पुरानी गाड़ी है. ये उन्होंने अजूबे.
Vintage look.
हमारे उधर चलते हैं.
True. Ambassador car. This is the ambassador car.
हमारी यही गाड़ियाँ वो बाइक और ये चीज़ें सारी उसने अजूबे में रखे कि भाई ये अजूबे गाड़ी है और ये बाइक है. ये कहते हैं पहले ज़माने में, यानी उन्होंने ये भूल गया है कि भाई अभी
It's
वो
all
लोग-
worn out now for
लेकिन
us.
हम लोग ये मिल जाए तो
It's
हुआ.
still there in Pakistan, yeah.
पाकिस्तान में तो नॉन कस्टम गाड़ियाँ होती हैं और हम जो चलाते हैं.
The vintage cars. And all these clubs open at night basically.
यस.
And it's too crowded here. If possible, I'll...
रात को ले आएंगे.
हाँ?
आपको रात को ले आएंगे.
Raat ko, yes, I want to see the nightlife
यस.
of Russia. He's cooking vegetarian?
यस.
What is he cooking?
Lobia and tinder.
Oh, see, they have the veg.
يا دلتي خروج. بلا شيء.
He speaks English?
No.
No.
Pashto.
Okay.
Pashto Persian.
Do they have chapati?
Yes.
Okay. So, he can...
لوبيا ودغه سره ميكس راکنه. لک لوبیا کې واچ لګ دې دې کم شي خورای نو دغه ما پس خورم. سبزی او دغه ميكس راک. په پلیټ کې لک لوبیا واچ لګ دغه واچ. او لنګ ټیډي واچ. شدي سلاد لږ سلاد لږ ډیر واچ.
tell him no meat.
Yes, no meat.
Okay.
Drink. What do you drink?
Drink nothing. So this is lobia. That's what they call in Afghani.
Yeah.
But we call it kidney beans. This is the lentil and this is pumpkin, I think.
Yes.
And this is the Afghani bread.
Breads.
यहाँ से आए थे ना?
ये सब है इसके।
अच्छा यहाँ
लेबर के यहाँ।
रेंट पे रहते हैं?
हाँ रेंट पे।
कितना रेंट होगा?
ये 10,000 के
पर मंथ?
पर मंथ।
वो भी सस्ता
हाँ
है।
ये तो महंगा नहीं।
10,000 पर रूम।
सप्लाई करते हैं जो दुकान होते हैं ये खाना उधर ले जाते हैं।
अच्छा उधर से बना।
हाँ दुकानों को जो इधर फोन कर लेते हैं कि यार राइस बेचो या कोई खाना बेचो ये पे बेचते हैं।
ओह ओके।
सप्लाई करते हैं।
Oh, the rent of this place is 10,000 per room per person. So the rent is also cheap here, yeah. Similar
Not
to
expensive.
India, yeah. And he's saying it is not that difficult to get registered if you know a Russian here. A Russian can get you registered. Registration is very important. Whether you want to rent a house or buy a SIM card, for everything you need to get registered. Even if you want to stay in a hostel, you need to get registered, like I did yesterday. So they charge you some sum of money. Yes, now the shops are opening. I want to go to a departmental store.
Yes.
I want to buy shampoo, and I also want to see the prices of the grocery and the daily items there. I feel Russia is not expensive at all.
Not expensive.
It is very cheap.
Cheap. Yes.
And the quality of life is also good.
Yes.
The infrastructure is
Living
top
for
notch.
living,
Yeah.
living style.
No pollution also.
No.
And the weather is also very nice.
Nice.
चाय पानी
कहाँ से आप?
अफगानिस्तान से।
इसलिए हिंदी आता है।
हाँ हमें इंडिया से प्यार है इसलिए हिंदी आता है।
अरे हमें भी अफगानिस्तान से प्यार है।
Danta kam nekwamat utal kam dodi
Bande, bande.
dodi shurki.
बंद
Bande.
रिमोट लगी।
Ha.
Okay.
Have a nice
Bye.
time.
You too. He's from Afghanistan. He can speak Hindi. Most of them are fan of Bollywood. They know Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Yay! Hey, Russia? Good. How are you? Tajikistan. Okay. So these are all immigrants from Tajikistan and Afghanistan, Dagestan. Dagestan. That's something. Kyrgyzstan. That's the new country that I have heard today. Dagestan.
Come.
Come, there's no signal. Okay. So they will automatically wait when you cross here, even if there's no signal here and you are crossing the road. So they let the humans pass by. This is a bakery shop here and a perfume shop. This is a shop where you get souvenirs. Such colorful and new buildings. They are old, they are years old, but all of them look new. Because the people have maintained the quality and the architecture here.
He said, I make pictures.
Объясни, пожалуйста.
Okay, I make videos.
English. Она объяснит. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Oh, like India. It's a photograph.
Yes, he is
She can,
photographer.
she can photo for you. And
Oh, okay. I already have a
it's a
camera.
very good photograph.
I already have your camera.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
No, go.
I already have a camera.
Ah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
What is this cathedral called?
It's some like spilled blood of Savior.
Oh, spilled blood of Savior.
Yeah.
Oh, let me just have a look from inside. You're alone here?
No, one of my colleagues is there. The manager is there. So we have come here for their survey. So we are going to start a tour. The regular scheduled tour.
Travel company.
Yeah.
Ah, I
It is
see.
a Jew.
It's in Juhu. Okay. That's nice. Wonderful to see an Indian here in Russia because you don't find any Indians here. It's very less.
Yeah, I know.
Especially for tourism also. Maybe when the summer starts, they'll come.
They will come. But definitely. So you are staying where?
I'm staying here, right here. It's somewhere there only a kilometer. Sadovaya Street.
Okay.
Sadova.
How did you find Russia?
Good. Both the cities are good.
You've been here before?
No. I have been to Crimea.
Okay.
Crimea and other places. Ekaterinburg. This for a year
For the first time. Same here, even my first time over here. All right, nice meeting you.
Фото сделаем. Фото with me. Stay.
Нет,
Take.
нет. Спасибо.
ये पैसे पर लेते हैं.
I know. If they charge you, Baba, if you get clicked with them, then you'll have to pay them money.
Yes.
There's no way saying no to them then. That's why I don't want to. I want to click my own video. This looks very beautiful though.
Very.
Oh, he's playing some music there. Russia is a country full of churches and because the population follows Christianity majorly. So there, like everywhere you'll see all these beautiful and fancy looking church and cathedrals. There's a river flowing next to the spill blood of something. That's what the gentleman told me is from Bombay, India. Let's go to that store department.
Yes.
It's from here only. Okay.
मेट्रो में चलते हैं.
Is it far?
हाँ?
Is it far?
हाँ.
Okay. You have any sisters?
4 sisters.
Huh?
4 sisters, 8 brothers.
Oh my God. So 12 siblings
Yes.
and mother, father.
Yes.
So total 14 people.
Yes.
This is like a cricket team with 2 additional members.
ये तो छोटा है. वहाँ पे 35-40 बेटे बेटियाँ होती हैं. वहाँ पे तो लोग 2-3 शादियाँ करते हैं. वहाँ पे जॉब वाली देखते हो ना, एक परिवार का आप YouTube चैनल में भी वो आप शायद देखे होंगे.
Yes, I know you all marry 3-4 times.
तो वहाँ पे
But,
जो लोग करते हैं ना,
हाँ.
3 शादियाँ 4 शादियाँ करते हैं. उससे बच्चे पैदा होते हैं. 40-45 बच्चे पैदा होते हैं.
Oh, okay.
पॉपुलेशन इस वजह से ज़्यादा होता है.
Interesting. So they marry 3-4 times. So but do you all marry after giving divorce to the first wife or
No.
you all keep everyone together?
Combine together.
Okay. So does the first wife has a problem?
Yes, no problem.
They live happily.
Yes.
Okay. They don't mind.
वहाँ पे माइंड नहीं करते.
अच्छा, I see.
अभी हम भी करेंगे.
अच्छा, आपने शादी नहीं किया?
नहीं, अभी करेंगे.
आपका अच्छा.
आप मुझे दिला दो.
मैं आप रशियन से कर लो.
रशियन से
Yes, you should marry. You want to set up a business here, no? You like Russian girl?
रशियन से या इंडियन से या ईरानी.
अच्छा, but you like
Iran.
Russian girl?
No,
No?
no.
Why?
वहाँ की जो रस्म रिवाज मुझे पसंद नहीं है. खाने पीने जो घर के रस्म रिवाज होते हैं, इंडियन, पाकिस्तानी एंड ईरानी
हाँ.
ये सेम होते हैं.
अच्छा, basically they have a similar culture.
Yes.
You mean to say you won't be able to get along with a Russian woman because of cultural difference?
Yes.
Okay. I'm inside the metro station now. They call it metro here, not subway. Where do we have to go? We are right here. Okay, it's just one station on the green line. Привет.
Один билет на Ладожск. Ну вот, 81. Это билет.
मेरे पास प्ले है बहुत है. मैं इसको से तंग हूँ.
She wants change. This.
Так, подождите, вам надо до Ладожской доехать, да?
Нет.
А что надо?
Нет.
Ну вы даете 100 рублей.
Oh my god.
Ну, похоже,
Так я вам...
What is that?
Нет, у него карта есть.
No card.
Это вот билет, тикет.
Ticket.
Да. Вот так, наконец, вот это тикет.
Okay.
Разобрались.
Ah, the lady doesn't understand English. The ticket is for around 50 rubles or something. I didn't check honestly. She gave me so many coins that I couldn't see, and the ticket was also a coin, so I got confused. Anyways, I'm right here. I have to go here, so I need to change from here, from Alexandra.
Следующая станция Лейко.
Oh, there are supermarkets everywhere here. It's the what's it's written there. It reads as
Ladosky.
Ladoskia.
Ladosky.
Ladoskia.
Ladosky.
I'm inside a mall and I see a supermarket here.
Mango.
This is kiwi for 2.99 ruble per kilo. Fit in 1 kg.
Mango.
This is for 169 a kg. I wanted to check out avocado. How much is an avocado here for? I think it's for, yeah, it's written in 5.79 for 2 avocado. Apples are quite common in here. 265 per kg. Of course, this is a supermarket, so prices will be a little more than what you get on the streets. This is for 129 ruble, 0.99, 130 ruble for 300 grams. I really like this, the chocolate one, so I'll take one of this. And I've also taken this sunscreen. I don't have a sunscreen right now. It's for 300 ruble. This is sunflower seeds. This is like a munching snack for 25 ruble. And this chocolate is quite famous here, by the way. It's for 140 or something. So they've got Nivea too, they've got Dove, Palmolive. This is what you see in other countries also. Colgate. Colgate is 100 ml is for 180 ruble. Sensodyne, Parodontax, Deep Fresh, all the brands you'll see here. Dove is also here, but it's written as Dab. That's the Russian way of calling Dove. Hey, how much is this one? I'm using the same razor of Venus. And this is for 569 and 570 along with one blade. Okay, in India it's a little cheaper. I just got out of this mall, which is right outside that metro station, Ladovskaya. It is right next to the Isaac Cathedral. I can see an Indian restaurant here. It reads as Indian cuisine since 1994. And there's an Italian restaurant right behind this. Oh, this lane is full of restaurants. Tandoori Nights. One more Indian restaurant here. And there's a menu. But it's empty from inside. How long would it had been taken to build these beautiful architecture? I mean, look at this. This is so big. And it still looks so new. So there are few bridges in Russia which open at night for bigger ships to, pass by at different time frame. But that happens at night, post midnight. This is under construction, I think. Or you can pass through that. But I was just checking, Russia is home to around 800 bridges. Wow, fascinating. The nightlife, I mean, I couldn't find any good pubs or clubs around here. Maybe because everything is pretty quiet and empty. Maybe because it's Tuesday, working day, and also not the idle season. I mean, it's not the peak season, not the summers right now. So I mean, you won't see much of a crowd here. but I enjoyed the walk in the city. I was just walking and walking, and I didn't feel tired at all, not even for a minute. That's the beauty of the city. The roads are so clean, the air that you breathe, it seems so fresh.